So we have done resonance. We will do applications of resonance today. What are the applications of resonance? Why it is important, so important in organic chemistry? So first application is, there is change in bond length due to resonance. The bond length can increase and decrease depending upon the resonating structure. Depending upon the resonating structure, the bond length, it can increase or it can decrease. So first, you know that this is the structure of benzene. These double bond can be on any side. It can be like this. It can be from like this also. It can be like this also. So it can be any type. So when it has normal carbon-carbon bond has bond length of 1.54 angstroms, and the bond length of double bond is 1.34 angstroms. Now we know that these double bonds, these pi bonds, these pi electrons which form the pi bond, they are not fixed. So they can flip to the other side also. So net structure which we get is a resonance hybrid of the structure. So in the resonance hybrid, this is the resonance hybrid, the bond length is 1.39 angstroms. If we take out average bond length of this resonance hybrid, it has 1.39 angstroms. So that is why it has been said that there is change in bond length due to resonance. The bond length can increase and decrease depending upon the resonating structure. If a resonating structure is changing from single bond to double bond, then you know the double bonds, they have less bond length. And if it is changing from double bond to single bond, then the bond length will be more, because you know single bond has more bond length. Then next is, it accounts resonance. It means resonance. It accounts for stability of allylic carbocations and vinylic halides. See, this is a allylic carbocation. Allyl, this is a allyl group. This is a CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2. This is allyl group, you have to remember. And these allylic carbocations, they are stable in nature. Why they are stable in nature? Because they show resonance. See, this structure can be drawn like this also. So they show resonance. That is why they are stable, highly stable in nature. Then another application is that vinyl halides. This is a vinyl halide, CH2 double bond CH, Cl. Vinyl halides are less reactive. This is a very this question is a very common question, and it is asked many times, that why vinyl halides, they are less reactive as compared to alkyl halides. So vinyl halides, in vinyl halides there is low reactivity, means they are less reactive. Why they are less reactive in nature? Because of resonance. CH2 double bond CHCl. Now Cl is having 7 electrons. It will give one of its lone pair here. डबल बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म्ड, Cl के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा और यहाँ से ये पाई बॉन्ड जो है कार्बन के ऊपर मूव कर जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा, कार्बेनाइन बन जाएगा. नाउ इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू रिमूव दिस Cl. व्हाई? बिकॉज अ डबल बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म्ड. A double bond is stronger as compared to a single bond. So it is very difficult to remove Cl. It is from here. That is why vinyl halides, in vinyl halides there is no low reactivity. And that means they are less reactive as compared to their corresponding alkyl halide. इसका corresponding alkyl halide क्या होगा? CH3, CH2, Cl. अगर हम कंपेयर करें रिएक्टिविटी, दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज इथाइल क्लोराइड और ये क्या है? विनाइल क्लोराइड. अगर हम इनकी रिएक्टिविटी को कंपेयर करें तो जो विनाइल हैलाइड है दैट इज लेस रिएक्टिव एज कंपेयर टू दिस इथाइल क्लोराइड, बिकॉज in vinyl halide there is resonance, but in this there is no resonance. No resonance. There is no resonance. So there is no Cl does not show double bond character in ethyl chloride. Next, we have next application is acidity in phenols. Phenols are acidic in nature. Now, why phenols are acidic in nature? Phenols are acidic in nature because what happens? See, if when you dissolve it in water, it gives us phenooxide ion or phenate ion plus H positive. Now, this phenooxide ion or phenate ion, this is resonance stabilized. O negative, it shows which effect I have told you. There are two types of resonance effects, plus R and minus R effect. It shows plus R effect. The electrons which are present over oxygen, they are given here. Double bond will be formed. As a result, these pi electrons, they will move here. Then these pi electrons, they will form bond here. And these electrons, they will move here. Then these lone pair of electrons, they will form bond here. These electrons, they will move here. This structure is formed. And then these electrons, they will form pi bond here. And these electrons, they will come over oxygen again. So this phenooxide ion, it shows resonance. Due to resonance, phenols are acidic in nature. Resonance provides them stability. So this phenooxide ion or phenate ion, that is highly stable in nature. That is why it is formed. Now, phenols are more acidic than alcohols, C2H5OH. There is no reason is why they are more acidic as compared to alcohols. The reason is simple. There is no resonance in this alcohol. There is no resonance in, this is the example of ethyl alcohol or methyl alcohol or any alkyl simple aliphatic alcohol you can take. There is no resonance in it. So as a result, there is no resonance stability. So that is why as compared to alcohols, your phenols, they are more acidic in nature. Then next application is, it leads to stability by delocalization. Delocalization means by spreading the electrons. By spreading the electrons means electrons will not be localized only over one carbon. They will be in spreaded form. It leads to stability by delocalization of electrons means by spreading the charge. It leads to the stability of reactive species like carbocation, carbanion, free radicals. So it leads to stability. It leads to stability by delocalization of electrons means by spreading the charge. It leads to stability of reactive species like carbocation, carbanion and free radicals. So when resonance is there, the electrons, they are not confined over one carbon only, they are spread over the whole species. So that is why resonance, in this manner, resonance leads to stability. Thank you. In the next lecture, we will do hyperconjugation as our topic of resonance is complete. Thank you.